Hey Google, what does a hound dog sound like?
This is a hound dog.
Got me crying. Hey Google, what does a wolf sound like?
Here we go.
This is what gray wolves sound like. By the way, do you want to hear the sound of a coyote?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, this is a coyote.
Holy cow.
He can't be
Hey,
still.
I can tell you about a new animal every day. Would you like to know about today's animal?
Yes.
Welcome to Animal of the Day. Today's animal is the leopard seal.
God,
Leopard
that's
seals are large and
burping.
gray, covered in leopard print spots.
What is that?
They eat penguins, seagulls, and even other seals. Leopard seals have very loud voices, which let them talk to each other underwater.
Hey, Google.
This is what they sound like. Would you like to hear a fun fact about leopard seals?
Hey, Google. What does a hound dog sound like?
This is a hound. Hey, if you like animal sounds so much, can you guess whether the following sound is a cow or a donkey?
A cow. He's like, will you help me, Daddy?
Oh.
He's like, Mama's not helping me. Will you help me, Daddy? Come here. It's okay. Bless your heart. It's
Hey,
all
Google.
right.
What does a hound dog sound like?
This is a hound dog.
You hear that dog?
Hey, Google. What does a Shih Tzu sound like?
I haven't been able to find a recording of a Shih Tzu making a sound, but I'm working on it.
Hey, Google. What does a German Shepherd sound like?
This is a German Shepherd. By the way, do you want to hear what a Siberian Husky sounds like?
Yes. Yes.
All right, this is a Siberian Husky. Do you want to hear something I learned about Siberian Huskies?
Hey, Google. What does a
Yorkie.
Yorkie sound like?
This is a Yorkshire Terrier.